For this activity, I want you to go to the supply shelf and get some fraction tiles. And then I want you to lay down your fourth pieces in front of you because we're going to use those pieces to find equivalent fractions. Pause the video and do that now. All right, in front of you, you should have 3/4 laid out, and I have mine laid out with a space in between them. We could put them next to each other. We could easily do that, but I want us to have some space in between us just to see that we are working with 3/4 today. This is 1/4 plus 2/4 plus 3/4. Let me just put a little plus sign here. Plus, plus, plus. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. And I want to know, if I have 3/4 in front of me, how many 12ths do I have? Okay, how many 12ths do I have? And that can be a little overwhelming to look at 3/4 equals how many 12ths and be like, oh my gosh, what do I do? So I want us to go back just to 1/4. We're going to focus on 1/4 right now. And I want us to see how many 12ths fit in just 1/4. So pause the video, pick up your 12th pieces, and figure out how many fit in 1/4. I'll do the same. Well, when I laid out my 12th pieces under my fourth piece, I ended up with 3/12. So there are 3/12 in 1/4, but we have to figure out how many are in 3/4. So I think what we could probably do is we could take these 3/12 and we could find 3 more, right? Now I'm just going to copy them on my screen, but I want you to find 3 more 12ths and put them underneath the other fourth piece. And then I want you to find 3 more 12ths and put them underneath the other fourth piece. Pause the video and do that now, please. All right, my friends. So we have 3/4 in front of us and we are trying to find out how many 12ths there are. Well, let's start counting our 12ths. 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, 4/12, 5/12, 6/12, 7/12, 8/12, and 9/12. 3/4 is the same as 9/12 because in each fourth it's split up to make 12ths. Each one of that happens the same way and it makes 9/12. Now I'm going to pause the video and get another fraction in front of us. I want you to clear your tiles. All right, in front of us I have 2/3. I want you to lay down 2/3 pieces. Pause the video if you need to. And now I want you to find out how many 9ths are equivalent to these 2/3 pieces. If you need to, start off with 1/3 and then see how many 9th pieces are in that, and then how many 9th pieces are in the second third. 2/3 equals how many 9th pieces. I'm going to pause my screen to do the same. All right, I know that in 1/3 there are 3 9ths, because if I split a third up into 3 times as many pieces, I get 9ths. I get 3 9ths. But if I do that again with another third, I get 3 more 9ths. How many 9ths does that get us total? Well, 1/9, 2/9, 3/9, 4, 5, 6 9ths. 2/3 is equivalent to 6 9ths. All right, now I want you to get out some 8th pieces because I want us to figure out if I have 4 8ths in front of me, how many 4ths will that make? And I've got my 8ths all ready to go, and then I've got a little handful of 4th pieces here. I don't know if I'll need them all, but so go ahead and get your 8th pieces out. We need 1, 2, 3, 4 8ths. And I need to figure out how many 4ths that makes. Well, one thing you might automatically notice is that 8ths are smaller than 4ths, correct? You're right. When we split a 4th up, it makes 2 8ths. Well, let's just start combining some fractions together. 1/4 is 2 8ths, isn't it? Okay. Now I have 2 more 8ths left over, and I'm going to use another 4th to combine those. Well, my friends, if I have 4 8ths, how many 4ths is that? That's 2/4. 4 8ths is the equivalent of 2/4. Now, I didn't even need that last 4th there. Let's get rid of him. All right. So thank you for learning with me on using fraction tiles to find equivalent fractions. And I know you can't use tiles when you take a test, but you can certainly draw them out on a piece of paper, can't you? If you understand that when you split a fraction up into twice as many pieces, the denominator gets 2 times as big. When you split a fraction up into 3 times as many pieces, the denominator becomes 3 times as big. If you remember that concept, this can help you.